Hello everyone, it is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. Today I have a freebie for you and a little shop update. So this video will be short if you want to grab this freebie, which are mostly little vintage cards of different sizes with bicycles and either a label or a belly band that you can write down or add laces. How to get the freebie? You have two choices. You can go to my BuyMeaCoffee platform account where I do not sell anything there. The only purpose there is to give you the file for free. So the link will be in the description below. You follow the link and you kind of download, you kind of purchase that digital, but it's a free, it's a $0 purchase. So you just follow the steps and you'll be able to download it. The other way is through my Facebook group called Odulcina Scrap. So you join the group, you go under files, there's a files menu, and you have all the freebies there. So this is not the first freebie that I put there on both the BuyMeACoffee or the Facebook group. So if you're new to my channel, you reach one of those two places and you can grab all the previous freebies at the same time. So it all started with my Facebook group, but I had a couple of ladies that didn't have Facebook and they couldn't get the freebie, and I discovered that I can put free files in the BuyMeACoffee platform. So you have both places to accommodate everyone. So this is the freebie. And now I just want to chat a little bit about what's coming to my shop. So there's going to be a temporary closure from, let's say, the 3rd of September to the 20th of September. The Odulcina journals, that's my Etsy shop that sells only items that needs shipping. So the printed for you paper or fussy cut bundles, the fabric, the sari silk, the fancy yarns, that shop will be temporarily closed. I'll kind of remove all of the items and just leave a fake listing that you won't buy. And because I am traveling, I'm going to Guatemala from September 4th, and just me and my family, sister, brother, parents, and we all go there to celebrate my brother's birthday, who lives there in Guatemala. So yeah, it's my first trip in 8 years. It's overdue, I guess. And it's gonna be my first break since I'm doing this junk journal business. Started 3 years ago. If you need something, you have up to September 3rd to purchase something that needs a shipping. The digital shop, the Etsy shop just called Odulcina, where I only have digitals there, remains open because Etsy is providing you the files and the downloads. So when you purchase, I don't have anything to work more. So this shop stays open. It's really the one with shipping. If you need something with shipping, you need to purchase before September 3rd. I'm gonna ship everything on September 3rd and then I'm gonna close. Or wait after September 20th. When I'll be back on September 20th, this is the most exciting part, end of September, that means Christmas shopping, season starting and everything. And I've prepared and worked on a new fabric that includes new labels, that includes little houses kit to create fabric little houses. And what else is there? Oh, I have collage pages fabric. And this time I designed them to be sold by half a fat quarter. So I even thought like fat quarters were still big pieces, like they're 50 centimeters by 70 centimeters. So I thought I could split them into two. So it's a 1/8 of a meter. So that would give you sizes like 50 centimeters by 35 centimeters, which is way enough to play with for our junk journals and even quilting or little sewing projects. So I want to migrate, maybe it's a trial, but I'll see, like you can have maybe more choices for the same price because you can buy they're going to be cheaper as they are smaller. So this is coming. There's going to be as well Anne's favorite box version 2. So if you bought the version 1 last year for Christmas, you can buy a second one, and there's going to be nothing that was in the previous the version 1 box. Totally new stuff. Because the goal of my favorite boxes is for if someone is a beginner and they don't have embossed paper, they don't have lots of laces, chiffon silk, sari silk, fancy yarns, vintage or old paper like ledger papers and music sheets and that kind of stuff. A little bit of my fabric, of course. You can just buy that box and suddenly you have little charms and all the basics that you would use. I don't put any scrap there. I don't put there anything that I don't really love. That is coming. And then when I'll be back in September as well, I want to sell my creations of the year. If you followed me since a while, I used to sell my creations as I would go. Like I would do a flip through video, and by the end of the video, you could go to my Etsy shop and grab the creation to purchase them. And I kind of stopped that this year. I kept a lot for myself. So I decided that it was time to let them go. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.